Hello guys, grade 8 students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is part 2 of the video that I have created for Module 3. This time, we will be talking about arithmetic means. So the first question is, what is an arithmetic mean? So the big question here is, what is arithmetic means? So, to understand about arithmetic means, let us consider this arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic sequence is 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So this one is an arithmetic sequence because there is a common difference of 2. So this is a finite. This is a finite arithmetic sequence. Okay? So it's very important, I emphasize here that the given is finite because arithmetic means can only be determined if the given arithmetic sequence is a finite arithmetic sequence. Okay? So in this case, the first term and the last term, these two are what we call them arithmetic extremes. Okay? So, the first term and the last term are what we call the arithmetic extremes. And the terms in between the first and the last terms, which are 6, 8, and 10, are what we call arithmetic means. So if we say arithmetic means, these are the terms between any two non-consecutive terms of a finite arithmetic sequence. Now let's have this task. Insert the indicated number of arithmetic means between the given first and last terms of an arithmetic sequence. Let's start with number 1, 6 and 54. So 6 is the first term, 54 is the last term, and we need to insert how many arithmetic means? 3 arithmetic means. So that you can visualize and to facilitate the process, you do it this way. So you start with the first term. You will be making blanks for the 3 arithmetic means that we need to insert. So 1, 2, 3. Then you copy 54. Now, to be able to determine the arithmetic means in between the two terms, it's very important that we need to know the common difference. But in this case, you cannot subtract 54 and 6. Why? Because they are not consecutive. So you cannot subtract them right away. In this case, we will be using this formula for the common difference. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub k all over n minus k. Now the question is, what is A sub n? A sub n is the last term. So in this case, what is our last term? That is 54. Minus A sub k is our first term. And what is it? That is 6 over, you will have n. So whatever is our n here, that will be what's written here. So pang ilang term? What term is 54? What term is 54? So you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will have 5 minus, pang ilang terms is 6? First term, so that's 1. So you will have 54 minus 6 is, what's the answer? So that is 48. all over 4. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. Okay? So this is now our common difference. So what is now the use of the common difference? That is what you're going to add to the known terms. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. And 42 plus 12 is 54. Brendan and Brian. Now let's proceed to the second example. 10 and 40, and we need to insert 5 arithmetic means. So just like how we did it in number 1, you start with the first term, which is 10. Then you will be making 5 blanks to represent the 5 unknown arithmetic means. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you add 40. So to be able to solve for the arithmetic means, you need to solve first the common difference D. So for the common difference D, you will have last term, that is 40, minus A sub k, which is 10, over what term is 40? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 40 is 7th term. Minus 10, minus 1, which is for first term. So you will have 40 minus 10 is 30, all over 7 minus 1 is 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 5 is your common difference. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 5, 30, plus 5, 35. So that is for number 2. Now let's have number 3. The given 1/2 and 2. Then you're going to insert 2 arithmetic means. So you will have 1/2. Make 2 blanks for the 2 arithmetic means, and then 2. Again, solve for the common difference first. D is equal to, what is our last term? That is 2. Minus, the first term is 1/2. Okay? Over, what term is 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is the fourth term, minus 1 for first term. This is equal to, common difference D is equal to 2 minus 1/2 is 1.5, or 1 and 1/2. To show it, 2 and 1/2 are dissimilar fractions. So you need to get the LCD, which is 2. 2 divided by 1. 1 is the denominator of 2 because this is a whole number. 2 divided by 1 is 2, times 2 is 4. Minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, times 1, 1. Over 4 minus 1 is 3. Let's simplify it further. 4 minus 1 is 3. So that is 3/2 divided by 3. Is this the final answer for D? Not yet the final answer. So in this case, let us review the rule in dividing fractions. So the rule in dividing fractions is, you're going to get the reciprocal of the denominator, you copy the numerator, proceed to multiplication. So copy the numerator. This will be our numerator. So copy, numerator is 3/2. Division becomes multiplication. Get the reciprocal of the denominator. Our denominator is 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? That is 1/3 is equal to. Okay? Try to check if you can apply cancellation here. I think we can cancel, right? We can cancel 3. So cancel 3, cancel 3. 1 times 1, because 1 is left here. 1 times 1 is 1, over 2 times 1 is 2. So our common difference D is 1/2. Okay? Now, you go back to the given. 1/2 plus 1/2 is, or 0.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1/2 is 1 and 1/2, right? Or that is 1.5, or that is, so this one, you can have or 1.5, or you can have 3 halves in fraction form. Now let's have the fourth example, 1/3 and 11/3. We're going to insert for arithmetic means. So you have noticed that we started from whole numbers, we're going to fractions, because I understand that a lot of you find it hard to manipulate operations involving fractions. That's why I have 2 examples here. The third one and this one, the fourth one. So 1/3, you'll be making 4 blanks for the 4 arithmetic means, 2, 3, 4, and then you will have 11/3. Now let us solve for the common difference D, which is equal to, the last term is 11/3. Cut sabay. Close na, close natin.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so 11, our last term is 11/3 minus our first term, which is 1/3, over 11/3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the 6th term. So you write here 6 minus, it is the first term, so minus 1. You will have, they have the same denominator, so you can get the difference right away of the numerator. 11 minus 1 is 10. Copy the denominator, 3 over 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is our common difference, but this is not yet the final answer, because again, we copy the numerator, 10/3, proceed to multiplication, get the reciprocal of 5. What is the reciprocal of 5? That is 1/5. Now, check if you can apply cancellation. 1 and 3, you cannot cancel. 10 and 5, you can cancel. So 10 becomes 2, while 5 becomes 1. 2 times 1 is 2, over 3 times 1 is 3. So, is it clear? Our common difference, I'll just write it here. The common difference is 2/3. Okay, so that is our common difference. Now, you add the common difference, the computed common difference to the first term. 1/3 plus 2/3. The denominators are the same, so add immediately the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3, so that will be 3/3. So 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 3/3, which is equal to 1. So we put it here, 1. 1 plus 2/3 is 1 and 2/3. Okay? 1 plus 2/3 is 1 and 2/3. Or you can have, you change it to fraction, you can have or 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. So that is 5/3. You can have 5/3 or 1 and 2/3. 1 and 2/3 plus 2/3. Okay? Or 5/3 plus 2/3. So we'll have it here. 5/3 plus 2/3 is equal to, copy the denominator, 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7/3 is the answer. Now next, you will have 7/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 7 plus 2, 9/3, which can be simplified further. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now let's have the fifth example, and I guess this is the most difficult examples of divide. You have x plus y and for x minus 2y, we're going to insert 2. So you start with x plus 5 as our x plus y as our first term. You'll make 2 blanks. And then for x minus 2y. Of course, we'll start solving for the common difference d, which is equal to, the last term is 4x minus 2y minus the first term, enclosed in parentheses because this is a binomial. So x plus y over 4x minus 2y is the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the fourth term minus the first term 1. You will have 4x minus 2y. Negative sign will be distributed to each term of the binomial. Negative times x is negative x. Negative times y is negative y. Over 4 minus 1 is 3. Simplify. 4x minus x is 3x. Negative 2y minus y is negative 3y. All over 3. Okay. This is not yet the final common difference. It is because you have noticed that the numerator has a common. What is common in the numerator? 3. So you can simplify it further. Our common difference d is equal to 3x divided by 3 is x minus 3y divided by 3 is y. So our common difference d is x minus y. And this one will be added to our first term. So x plus y plus x minus y is equal to x plus x, 2x, y minus y is 0. So our second term is 2x. Cut. Okay, and now let's solve for the next arithmetic mean. So there we have 2x, so 2x plus our common difference, x minus y is equal to 2x plus x is 3x, copy minus y. So 3x minus y. So our arithmetic means are 2x and 3x minus y. So what is our first arithmetic mean? 2x. What is our second arithmetic mean? 3x minus y. What is our second term? 2x. What is our third term? 3x minus y. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. I hope that you continue to watch and like this video. And if you think that this video is helpful to you and to your friends, you can ask them or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also share this video to your friends. Till our next video, thank you very much. Bye.